Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
So guys, let's create a new project. Go to Material, select a background color, select the layer, give it proper duration, go to Peep, let's go with this one, resize and position it, go to Mask, Circular Mask, resize the mask area, give the layer same length as the background, go to Peep again. Here we have 3 audio visualizer. These are all repeatable. You can download them from the video description. Go to Blend, select the filter, adjust the size and position it properly, and we are done.
Our hearts beat to the city.
So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.